Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Cash App payment not processing. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent transaction from processing, so make sure you have a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. After that, make sure that you have the latest version of Cash App. Open up your App Store. Inside here, simply search for Cash App, and if this button says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Once you do that, simply verify your payment information. You can double check your payment information including debit card or bank account detail. Make sure it is correct. Also make sure that your card hasn't expired or that there are sufficient funds available for the transaction. After that, simply close the Cash App completely and then reopen it. This simple step can refresh the app and resolve any minor glitches that may be affecting payment processing. If the problem still persists, you can reach out to Cash App support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help resolve account-related issues. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.